Every day, the fat controller came to the station to catch his train.
Hello. Remember, don't be impatient, Thomas. You can never be as strong and fast as Gordon, but you can be a really useful engine. Don't let the silly trucks tease you.
There were lots of trucks, and Thomas worked very hard, pushing and pulling them into place. There was also a small coach, and two strange things his driver called cranes.
That's the breakdown train, Thomas. The cranes are for lifting heavy things, like engines, coaches, and trucks.
One day, Thomas was in the yard. Suddenly, he heard an engine whistling.
Help! Help!
A goods train came rushing through much too fast. The engine was James, and he was frightened. His brake blocks were on fire.
They're pushing me! They're pushing me!
On!
Still whistling,
Help! Help!
poor James disappeared.
I'd like to teach those trucks a lesson.
Soon came the alarm.
James is off the line. The breakdown train, quickly!
Thomas was coupled on, and off they went. Thomas worked his hardest.
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
He wasn't pretending to be like Gordon. He really meant it.
Bother those silly trucks. I hope poor James isn't hurt.
James, his driver, and fireman were feeling all over him to see if he was hurt.
Never mind, James. It wasn't your fault. It was those wind brakes they gave you. We always say they were no good.
Thomas pushed the breakdown train alongside. Then he pulled the unhurt trucks out of the way.
Oh dear.
Serves you right. Serves you right.
He was hard at work, puffing backwards and forwards all afternoon.
This will teach you a lesson. This will teach you a lesson.
Yes, it will. Yes, it will.
They left the broken trucks, and with two cranes, they put James back on the rails. He tried to move, but he couldn't, so Thomas held him back to the shed. The fat controller was waiting anxiously for them.
Well, Thomas, I've heard all about it, and I'm very pleased with you. You're a really useful engine. James shall have some proper brakes and a new coat of paint, and you shall have a branch line all to yourself.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Now Thomas is as happy as he can be. He has a branch line and two coaches called Annie and Clarabelle. He puffs proudly backwards and forwards with them all day. He is never lonely. Edward and Henry stop quite often to tell him the news. Gordon is always in a hurry, but never forgets to say, "Poop, poop." And Thomas always whistles, "Beep, beep," in return.